The reduction section of the Parcel screen in Sigertax allows you to adjust a parcel's taxable value. You can find it on the Value tab of the Parcel screen, underneath the Value section. Click inside the grid with the right click and choose Add Reduction. This tool will help you handle situations such as abatements, charitable exemptions, disabled exemptions, FILOTs, PILOTs, Freeport exemptions, homestead exemptions, and all kinds of other situations that require an adjustment to the taxable value. Please note that this list is completely customizable, and you can add entries for any situation you may need. Also note that this reduction section is not for reductions in value that have to do with your appeal work necessarily. That would go in as a separate value column. These reductions are specifically for exemptions or other adjustments to the taxable value that relate to a specific parcel. If the reduction is for a stable percentage of the parcel's value, or a flat amount, use the top two boxes and the calculated checkbox to have the system calculate the numbers for you. In this case, we'll use an example of a homestead exemption that is calculated, gives you $20,000 off taxable value, as well as 15%. Choose the jurisdictions that offer this reductions by clicking their checkbox. When you save, these value columns will fill in with the resulting amount of the reduction. So 15% of the value plus the $20,000 flat amount gives you $380,000 as the amount of the reduction. Please note this is the amount of the reduction itself, not the resulting value of the parcel after the reduction is taken. Because the reduction is calculated, changes to the parcel's value will be reflected on the reduction as well. Adding a new value, perhaps an informal hearing result, that offers a lower value, will update not only the parcel's value, but also the amount of the reduction as it is calculated. On the tax screen, the jurisdictions affected by the reductions will have a reduction-specific code or list of codes if there are multiple reductions to the right of the jurisdiction's name. Opening the tax record will show you how the taxable value for that particular tax record was affected by the reduction. You can also handle reductions that are not calculated or need to be calculated by hand. Simply add a reduction, choose the type, and do not fill in the calculated section. Simply type out the amount of the reduction you are requesting, where the reduction started, and where the reduction ended up. Oftentimes these numbers will all be the same, but they do not have to be. Use them as you need to reflect the situation.